Another fix in 60 seconds. To fix a delicious cup of instant coffee, you need instant coffee. You need a vessel for your coffee. You're going to need hot water. Now read the instructions on your instant coffee. For this instant coffee, we're going to need 6 ounces of hot water. 6 ounces. Now once the hot water is ready, take your instant coffee and add it to your vessel. Now what you want to do is add your hot water to your coffee vessel, which will dilute the instant coffee. Now make sure follow the direction. Stirring implement. Stir your coffee. Stir that instant coffee. Optional ingredient. I'm adding stevia. Perfect. I'm also adding coffee creamer. Just a drop. Stir it again. Look how nice this is. Mmm. That's delicious.